Today friend, my discussing topic is about a 33 kV city explosion and related to its erections job and how the city ratio of this city from the others has been put in the service with the connections, how we connected with the other ratio type of city and how we just uh, doing the installation of the city. Today I discussed about my personal and practical experiences. The problem was the explosions of a 33 kV current transformer. During the evening time, one 33 kV current transformer has been fired. Due to the aging and due to the insulation failure, maybe the main reasons for the fire hazards. And due to the insulation failure and due to the inside formations of different gases, the main tank of the city has been vented and huge pressures was generated inside the secondary dead tank type city. So the inside oil just scatters through 20 feet to 40 feet around at the substation switches, and this city has been fired during these explosions, and 5 or 6 times different high altitude high magnitudes of sound has been heard by the surroundings of technical staffs posted at the substations and also the conductor personnel who are there engaged to the different work just far away from these locations, but they can easily visible the incidents and captures the video and send to me, and I put this video. After my discussions, you can see how these explosions was there and what type of damage has been just occurred during these explosions and for the explosions. The city has totally damaged and the different equipments has been just uh, look like immersed in the oil because the oil are just scattered long distance 20 feet to 40 feet, and the gravels and crusted stone has been just weighted due to the oil scattering. So friend, first of all we just and lots of foams, lots of heat was generated inside the current transformers. That's why the foam and streams was clearly visible after 2 hours or 3 hours. After seeing the last video attached with this video last times, you can easily understand the what was happened inside the city. I put the pictures also to my community. Please check the pictures and you can easily see that what is present inside the current transformers core, how this core has looked like that after the explosions. So after identifying the problem and during the explosions of the city, the particular feeder has been tripped, and so after discussing with the feeder authorities, we take a shutdown and do our city replacement erection job. After just dismantling this all the connectors, we just down the damaged city and put the new city to the on the structures. And after putting these, we just measure the city and we get the good insulation resistance of the city. After doing the pipe bending, because the city height was uh, more than the previous city was Lakshmi Engineering make, and new city was the make of Chaudhuri Engineering. So the city height was high than the before. So the pipe bending was our requirement. So do the pipe bending as per the height of the city is concerned. And after pipe bending, we fitted with the transfer bus isolators, BPI, city connectors, line side isolators. After doing the erections jobs and connected the connectors, we go for the terminations of the secondary. So secondary terminations, 1S1, 1S2, 1S3 for the metering, 2S1, 2S2, 2S3 for the protection, and 3S1, 3S2 and 3S3 was for the protections of the old city, because the old city was the ratio 400 by 200 by 111. So the 3 core city was there, 400, 200 by 111. Now the city ratio was 1800, 400 by 111. So we have the 4 terminals of 1 course: 1S1, 1S2, 1S3, 1S4, 2S1, 2S2, 2S3, 2S4, 3S1, 3S2, 3S3, 3S4. 3 core city. We just connect the 1S1, 1S2, 1S3 connections as per the previous city, 2S1, 2S2, 2S3 as per the previous city, 3S1, 3S2, 3S3 as per the previous city. Because we are not using the 3S third core, so we are sorting the 3S1, 3S2, 3S2, 3S3, 3S3, 3S4, and we are connecting the cables, and these cables are accumulated to the CTGB, and CTGB terminal dealing. We just connecting because the city was 400 by 200, so the connection was 1S1, 1S3, 2S1, 2S3. Because for the metering core we use the D-type ferrule, and for protection core we use C-type ferrule. So the D31 was the ferrule at 1S1, and the D51 was the star point. So we just change the star point from 1S3 to 1S2, because this city ratio is 1800, 400 by 111. So we got the 400 volt on the first core. So 1S1 and 1S2 core we get the 400 volt. So we just connecting the star point to the 1S2 D51, and nothing like that. And after that we are connecting the 2S1 C51 was there, so C51 is connected to 2S1, and 2S2 connected the C71. The C71 previously was to 2S3, because that was the 400 by 200 by 1 city. Now it is 1800, 400, 111. So we will get the voltage of 400 of the first two terminal of the core. So 2S1 and 2S2 we are connecting. 2S1 we connecting the C51, and 2S2 we connecting the C71 is the start point. And all the start point we are just connecting to the earthing point of the earthing bar, doing the star connection with the R phase, Y phase and B phase, and doing the R. And the incident was the third core short link was burned out, so we changed the short link because the third core has been not in use. So we are just sorting the 3s1, 3s2, 3s3, 3s4 all sorting, and this sorting is just earth with the start point or the body earth of the city city junction box. So after that we are just measuring the resistance of the panel side and city side by opening the D-link. By opening the D-link, we got the resistance between 1s1, 1s2, 2s1, 2s2, and this is the city side, and panel side we got some resistance 3.1. So we sanguine that nothing is open, everything is okay. So dealing through again 1s1, 1s1, 1s2, and 2s1, 2s2. After it, we just tied all the terminals of the city junction box properly, and to the city secondary terminal we just check the tightness, because if that will be loose, some voltage will be generated. We know that city secondary cannot be opened. If the secondary will be open, a high voltage will be generated and city can be damaged. So for that purpose we are sorting the third core, because third core we are not connecting any type of relay and any type of special protections was there, so that core is free. If that core is free, that core may be used for the protection purpose also. So that core is free, so we are just sorting the third core. So this is my experience after the city explosion, what type of erection job was there I discussed today. If you interested, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updated technical video. Please see the video attached, that is the 14-second video. You can easily understand that what was happened. Thank you very much friend for watching my video. Thank you very much.
3 বার আবার 5 বার করে নামা যাচ্ছে। তেল তো চারদিকে তো